The best advice about generating good leads. Do you know anything about the topic of lead generation? Do you need a quick primer to find out all you can? This video has all of the tips and tricks you need today. As soon as you get started watching it, you will also be preparing yourself for future success. Look into pay-per-click campaigns to generate leads. The first place most people go to seek business opportunity is Google. If you aren't on page 1 organically for the typical search terms they use, then you need to pay to be there. You only are charged if people click the ads, so it's an excellent way to simply build brand awareness as well. Talk to business owners in related industries. They may be willing to share leads with you, by sending their customers your way. For example, if you own a shop where you sell balloons, talking to a florist about a joint venture is a great way to get leads from another business. Know your target market. When you understand the specific group that most needs the products or services you offer, you will be able to reach them more efficiently. For example, if you are trying to reach elderly customers, you have a better chance of generating leads if you avoid a skateboard shop. Develop content marketing that will help you generate leads. Offer potential customers special newsletters and tips emails to help them make the most of their time. The better the content you create, the more likely you'll get people opting in to receive it. That opt-in is your first step to creating a very hot lead. With so many great tips available to you, all you can do now is put them to use. Take your time as you craft your strategies so that your leads will begin to generate. The sooner they do, the sooner you'll see your profits increase and your business begin to boom. Student loan.